Another pair of figures of speech that we have are overstatement and understatement. So both of these are things that we understand clearly, especially overstatement. We might say, as the example has in the book, the teenage boy ate everything in the house. Well, obviously, the teenage boy didn't eat everything in the house, didn't eat the drapes, didn't eat the carpets. But what we're doing is we're exaggerating that in order to emphasize exactly how much he ate. And so if we're waiting in line, I often say things like, we've been waiting this line for 9 million years. Obviously, it hasn't been 9 million years, but that exaggeration helps us understand that it's been a long time. Understatement is the opposite of overstatement. Instead of saying something is really, really big, we say that it's really, really small. And that understatement ends up emphasizing how big something is. There's a song that I like in which a woman talks about a plane crash. The plane is about to crash, and she says, "Uh-oh, this is going to be someday. It's going to be someday. She's about to die in a plane crash. This is going to be someday is what happens when, I ran out of gas on my way to work and I had to walk a mile to be able to fill up the gas can. That's someday. I had some problems. It's not when we have the language that we use when we have a plane crash. And so that understatement is going to emphasize exactly how bad the situation is. The fact that she doesn't give it enough attention helps us see exactly how bad it is, because there's a big gap between those two. So again, with both cases, understatement and overstatement, we are changing the amount of attention that we give to something. We're giving it an inappropriate amount of attention to help us understand more about how good or how bad something actually is.